Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are pleased to offer this Honda Forza 350, registered the 5th of December 2024 on a 24 plate, with only 897 miles and presented in Pearl Nightster Black. This exceptional low-mileage example is in outstanding condition as you would expect with such little mileage and a credit to its former keeper. The Honda Forza 350 is an A2 license-friendly premium maxi scooter that's powered by a Euro 5 compliant liquid-cooled 330cc single-cylinder engine. The Forza is perfect for the everyday run-around, which can hold its own on the main roads at speed. It looks great and has plenty of generous storage, feels stable and engaging. The Forza 350 is equipped with Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, for consistent rear-wheel grip. Sleek bodywork features a refined style and improved aerodynamics for extra high-speed comfort, with a further 40mm movement for the electric screen. This popular maxi scooter will leave us serviced where required with a comprehensive PDI report, 12 months MOT, and remainder of the manufacturer's warranty. You also have the option to extend to a 12 or 24-month warranty for additional peace of mind. We can deliver this bike anywhere in the UK and offer a wide range of finance options to suit your needs. Please note we have a small £75 admin fee on all of our bikes. For more information, please feel free to contact us on 014 24 44 44 480, email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk or WhatsApp 07359837799. Thank you for watching and we look forward to hearing from you soon.